Hello and welcome from KiboPush team. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about Hubspot CRM integration with KiboPush. This feature basically lets you transfer data from KiboPush to Hubspot CRM and vice versa. Hubspot is easy to use CRM that helps you organize, track, and nurture your leads and customers. HubSpot integration is particularly useful for you if you want to export subscribers' data to HubSpot or import useful information from HubSpot to KiboPush. I'm going to show how you can do this, and the first step is to connect your HubSpot account with KiboPush. Go to Settings from Main menu and click on Integrations. Click on Connect button beside HubSpot. You only have to do these steps once until or unless you disconnect HubSpot from KiboPush again. This action will basically allow HubSpot and KiboPush to speak to each other for sending and retrieving data. So here I get the notification HubSpot and KiboPush integration has been done successfully. Click OK. Next, let me first summarize what we can achieve through this integration. First, you are able to submit data from KiboPush to a HubSpot form. Second, you can create or update contact properties. That is, create a contact if it does not exist in HubSpot or update it with the subscriber's custom fields if it is already there. An existing contact will be identified by its email address. Thirdly, you can get contact properties, that is, return information about a single contact by their email address and process it to subscribers' custom fields. Let me show how this can be done. First, I'm going to submit data to a HubSpot form. I've created a form in the HubSpot with these fields: email, first name, last name, and city. Email is the mandatory field. It is the mapping or identity field. Next, let's go to KiboPush and I'm going to create a broadcast. Click on broadcast. From main menu, click on create new, select your page. Okay, so add a text component. I'm going to add a text component here that says, "Are you ready to avail amazing offers from us?" Now click on add button. I'm going to add a button that says ready. Click on add action. I'll choose HubSpot and I'm going to select the first option, submit data to form. Click on submit data to form. Okay, now select a form. I'm going to select my form. Now select and map the data fields of your subscribers in KiboPush that you want to transfer to HubSpot. For my email field, I'm going to select email from my custom fields. For the first name, I'm going to select the first name of my subscribers' data. For last name fields, I'm going to select the last name of my subscribers' data. For city, I'm going to select the city custom field. Once you're done, click on save, click on next, and send. So here I receive my message. Once the subscriber is going to click on this button, selected fields from their data should be exported to HubSpot. I'm going to click this button. So here is my HubSpot form, and in the submissions I can see that my contact information has been saved here. So this is my contact information and all these field values are coming from KiboPush. Next, we are going to update contact properties. I'm going to use a user input and broadcast to ask my subscribers their date of birth and degree, and I'm going to save this information in HubSpot. Let's create a broadcast message. Select a user input. My first question will ask users about their DOB. It is going to be a text. Okay, and I'm going to add another question which asks user about their educational degree. This will also be text. Now I'm going to add action and choose HubSpot. We're going to update contact properties. Select your email field. Email is the mandatory field in HubSpot. The answer for the question, please tell us your date of birth, will be stored in the HubSpot field date of birth. And the answer for the question, what is your educational degree, will be stored in the field degree. I'm going to save this, click on next, and I'm sending it to my subscribers. Here I receive the message. I'm going to write my date of birth. And the next question is, what is your educational degree? Let me answer that. So this information from our subscribers should get saved in HubSpot. Let us go and view our contact information in HubSpot. This is our HubSpot. Let us view the contact information here. So as you can see, subscribers' date of birth and degree information has been saved in HubSpot. Okay, so now the final action that we can perform using HubSpot integration is importing data into KiboPush from HubSpot. So let me show you how this can be done. I'm going to update my subscribers' custom fields with contact properties in HubSpot. Okay, let's try saving the two properties, date of birth and degree from HubSpot, into our custom fields. I'm going to create a test message saying retrieving contact information, add button, add action HubSpot, and choose HubSpot action get contact properties. Choose your email field. So these are all the contact properties that we have in HubSpot. Here, map the HubSpot properties to your KiboPush custom fields. I'm going to save the two properties, date of birth and degree, to my custom fields. So I'm going to select these two properties. For date of birth, I'm going to select the date of birth field in KiboPush. And for degree information, I'm going to select the field degree. This is a custom field that I've created. Click on Save, Next, Next, and Send. So when I click on this button, my data should be retrieved from HubSpot and saved in KiboPush custom fields. Now we are going to check our custom fields. Go to Subscribers from KiboPush. Here is my record. Click on the record and view the custom fields. So as you can see, these two properties, they have been saved in my custom field. So this data has been retrieved from HubSpot and saved as custom field values. Now these values, these custom fields, they can form the basis of customer targeting or segmentation to meet your marketing objectives. This is how HubSpot integration works in KiboPush, and I'm sure you are going to make full use of this integration. For today, this is all from my side. Stay connected with KiboPush. Have a nice day. Thank you.